Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. From today I am going to start my first tutorial on Python programming. This tutorial will be for absolute beginners to advanced. I will cover all the topics of the Python programming language in the upcoming videos. So let's start with the introduction of the Python programming language. So Python is a high-level programming language. It was created by Gaidu and Rosham and released in 1991. Python is interpreted and also simple programming language. Python support OOPS features and it is or object-oriented programming language. Python also is open source programming language. Coming to the Python features, Python is easy to learn and it is also portable, extensible, scalable, and broad standard library cross-platform. There are different many libraries, standard also libraries available in Python. That's why it is most popular programming language. Python also supports GUI application. You can develop your GUI application with few line of codes, and Python can be integrated with C, C++, and Java programming languages. Now, let's see the applications of the programming language. Python programming language. You can develop web development, scientific and numeric applications. You can develop your desktop GUI. Python also used in software development in many industries. Python also used in business applications, in marketing, analyzing, and many more. Now, these are the some interfaces of the Python: PyCharm, Spider, PyDev, IDLE, and Bing IDE. Now, what is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3? So, Python 2 was released in 2000 and Python 3 is released in 2008. Print is used as statement in Python 2 while print is used as function in Python 3. Now, if you divide two integers in Python 3, then it will gives an float value. If you divide by 2, then it gives 2.5, while in Python 2 it gives integer value. If you divide 5 divided by 2, then it gives 2. Now coming to the string in Python 3. In Python 3, string is used Unicode, while Python 2 used American Standard Code. Now, if I talk about the syntax of the programming in Python 3 programming language, then the syntax is simpler and easy to understand, while the Python 2 syntax was difficult to understand. Now, see the last point, iterations. We use range function in Python 3, while in Python 2, xrange is used for iterations and looping, etc. I will cover many topics in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and tell us your favorite ideally, and subscribe to our channel.